an Extreme Rules match. Making his way to the ring, representing the Brothers of Destruction from parts unknown. Weighing in at 323 pounds, Kane!
The Big Red Monster, perhaps the most sadistic superstar to ever step foot in WWE.
Driven by twisted, demonic impulses every step of the way.
Here we go, guys.
And his opponent from Denton, Texas, weighing in at 254 pounds, Kane Von Erich.
If you listened to After the Bell this week, you know this is a match I've wanted to see for quite some time, and it's almost time to start.
If he is not prepared heading into this match, I guarantee you he's going to be the subject of unspeakable horrors courtesy of Kane.
The bell rings on this Extreme Rules match. No telling what sort of carnage and destruction we'll see here.
When tempers flare and things keep getting pushed further and further, Extreme Rules is the only possible conclusion. Wrestling 101. If you can't stand, you can't fight. Suplex.
There's a lot of hard ways to land, but that might be the hardest.
Drop kick right on point.
Setting him up, got the head scissors on.
Oh, elbow to the face.
Oh no, trapping the arm. A vicious stomps to the hand.
You want to control the tempo, you want to dictate the pace. That right there is how you do it.
The Big Red Machine is now under heavy pressure.
It really looks like Kane's struggling right now.
And there was some force on that move. Kane, the recipient of some punishment there. Uh-oh, he's searching for something.
I can already feel the sting of the kendo stick, and I do not care for it.
And that was a well-executed attack. Kick. He's got him down. Is this it? Then he gets the shoulder up before two.
Starting to see the tolls of this match add up. He's got to know he's in harm's way here. Look at this somersault plunge onto the floor.
Pinpoint precision, right on target.
Measured knee drop. And now he's just being pushed around. He's got to boost up his levels of aggression at this point. Tying up both of their opponent's legs.
Snap. And he gets set back into the ring.
Shoulder tackle.
That attack looks to have stifled Kane.
Well, you don't sign up for an Extreme Rules match without knowing the consequences, Cole.
Power slam. Up and down. What a slam.
I got right to the gut. Big boot.
Stop in the leg.
Kane is really taking control here.
There's no stopping the Big Red Monster.
God!
And now that terrible error makes this a critical moment in the match.
Looking for something, anything under the ring.
That table has only one destiny, and it involves being broken in
Returning to the ring now.
Big punch. Ouch. This could be it. Cover. And a kick out by Kane.
Showing his determination there with that kick out.
Yes, he didn't come here to watch him boast and taunt.
Great way to completely disrupt the momentum and buy yourself some time. Up for the electric chair, down for the drop. There was some power behind that punch.
The devil's favorite demon with the devil's favorite sidewalk slam. Kane is proving that and the cover for the win. This is it.
Kicks out. He still has life.
What a match. Kane is creeping ever closer to burying the opposition.
The Big Red Machine.
Kane about to end this fight.
Wow, just barely making it out. Unreal. Unreal to kick out there. Not only unlikely, downright extraordinary.
And don't think that outcome is going to change Kane's approach. He's as hell-bent as ever. He reverses it.
Here he goes for the win. Then he closes it out.
Fights out at 2.
How in the world did he kick out?
Carefully placed stop to the arm. Firm control. And a big boot. Oh, man. Ooh, kick to the face. Heading up, he's thinking big. To the sky. Good Lord, taking flight. It doesn't matter if you're on the outside of the ring. There is no place safe when you face such a risk taker.
He's reaching under the ring for anything useful. We might be close to the end.
And this is, well, it's not looking good.
A steady stream of moves taking out Kane.
The Big Red Monster showing weakness here.
Time now to get his energy up and claw back into the fight.
Absolutely no telling what's underneath the ring tonight.
Looks like business is, as they say, about to pick up. Up across the shoulders.
Feast your eyes. No way Kane is going to recover from that.
Run out of ringside and back to the mat.
Shoulders down.
He put him away. He picks up the win.
Here is your winner,
Kane finding himself somewhat on the bottom of the food chain after this loss.
I can't say I really believe it, but tonight we saw Kane meet defeat.
The fires from hell were not enough.